Do you all realize that the next World Athletics Championships will be in Beijing, China in 2027, while the next Olympic Games is set for Los Angeles, California in 2028. Now, flashing back to that big Al-la-ba-loo about athletes who represent Jamaica on the global stage not getting enough respect and not getting enough support and love and blah, blah, blah. You all realize that between the just concluded World Championships in Tokyo, the one scheduled for Beijing in 2027, and the Olympics set for LA in 2028, that's a spread of 3 years where Jamaican athletes will only represent the country a grand total of 3 times on the global stage. And over these 3 years, when these very same athletes compete regularly on the Diamond League circuit or the Grand Slam track event or wherever they compete, they will wear their sponsors' colors, not the Jamaican colors. They will be representing themselves and their sponsors and not Jamaica. The Maverick rests his case.